Hello everybody, my name is Carsten Heil. I'm the Department Manager of Providing Technology in company FFT. And today I would like to introduce you to the FFT Profi Accumulating Conveyor. This type of conveyor has been available on the market in its basic form for more than 20 years and is used successfully in automotive production and other areas worldwide. The accumulating conveyor is used to feed parts into processing lines and the decoupling and buffering of various system areas. This significantly increases system availability. It enables decoupled component feeding, is based on a modular and stable aluminum rack, and impresses with its very smooth running by using a maintenance-free curved toothed belt. We built this conveyor in 3 designs. The floor-mounted version, in this example with safety device for loading by a worker. The vertical version, in this example also with safety device for loading by a worker. And steel version, in this example, with a steel structure and a maintenance platform. Let's move to the technical data of the conveyor. Length from 2000 to 40,000 millimeters. Height from 400 to 2000 millimeters. The weight is depending on the version. The conveying speed is 0.1 meters per second. And we position with an accuracy of plus minus 0.5 millimeters. Our portfolio also includes many possible additions for safety, ergonomics and component monitoring. So, the advantages and benefits for our customers are increased flexibility through coupling of several workpiece carriers and various buffer distances. Modular design with stable aluminum rack. Cycle-controlled part feeding. No lubrication and no automatic belt tensioning necessary. Cable routing within the aluminum profile. Extremely smooth running by using a maintenance-free PU belt. Finally, a brief look at the next generation of the FFT Profi conveyor. We have put 20 years of experience into the design of this new product. The floor-mounted version is about to go into serious production. The vertical and steel version is about to undergo long-term testing. So feel free to visit our homepage and have a look at the FFT Profi Accumulating Conveyor and all our other products. fft.de. Thanks for watching and have a nice time.